Hello my dear students, welcome to CMIS online classes. In today's class for the students of standard 7, we are going to start the new chapter from our English grammar, that is chapter 4, and the title of this chapter is articles. So in this chapter we will learn the uses of articles, that means the uses of the words a, an and the in sentences whenever we use them. At first, we will understand the chapter with its definition and its kinds. See, what are articles? See, the words a, an and the are called articles. That means the words that we use in sentences before nouns or other words to determine the arrival of nouns in sentences are called articles. That means whenever we use these words are used before nouns. Otherwise, whenever we are use them before other words also, there is the arrival of articles after nouns. That means after using articles, there is surety about the arrival of nouns. That means there is surety about the use of nouns. That means nouns are used after the use of articles, whether it is just after articles or whether we use these articles before other words. After using articles, there must be the use of nouns. See, articles are of two types. I told you a, an and the are called articles. So these three words are called articles, and these three words are even classified into two kinds of articles. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. At first we will understand indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an are called indefinite articles because when they use for nouns, they do not refer to any specific person or thing. That means they do not refer to any specific noun. But when we use the article the article the refers to a specific noun. That means a specific person or thing. So the is called the definite article and or is called indefinite articles. Now we will understand the uses of it. Uses of these articles. So before we understand the uses of these articles, let us discuss about this warm-up exercise which is given here in this page number 21. That is the first page of the chapter. That means it is written there, correct the errors in the use of articles. Some may have two errors. So here 16 sentences are given there. So in each sentence there may be the wrong use of articles. So we have to find out what are the mistakes, what are the errors, and we have to fix it. See here, in the first sentence we have, she is best singer of all. So what is the error here? That means the error, what error we have to find out? Error means the wrong use or the mistake, the error of the use of articles. See here, she is best singer of all. See, singer is the noun here and best is adjective here. That means we cannot use article in between the adjective and the noun. Okay, when the article, when the adjective and noun are used together, so before adjective we have to use article. So this is best is the superlative degree of the adjective good. Okay, so we have already known about that. Before the superlative degree of article, superlative degree of adjective, we use the article the. The definite article the is used before the superlative degree of adjective. Any superlative degree of adjective, before these superlative degrees of adjective we use the article the. Okay, that means the right answer is she is the best singer of all. Understood? So here you may do this. Okay, now see this next one. The man was diagnosed with the dengue. Okay, the man was diagnosed with the dengue. See here. So we are talking about the man. So we don't know about the man. Okay, so here at first when we speak about any common noun, if that noun is singular, we have to use a. See, we have to write a man was diagnosed with dengue. This is the name of disease. Dengue is the name of disease. So before the name of disease, we don't use article. Any disease, malaria, fever, we don't use any article. That means a man was diagnosed with dengue. So not the but a. It is written here. Some may have two errors. Now come to next one. Aeroplane is fastest means of transport. Aeroplane is fastest means of transport. See here, fastest means of transport is the noun. Okay, and the word means of transport has been qualified by the adjective fastest. So I have told you fastest is the superlative degree of adjective. I already told you that before the superlative degree of adjective we have to use the definite article the. So that means aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Now see number 4. I live in the New Delhi. See here, New Delhi is the article, New Delhi is the noun. So before noun there is the use of the article the, but this is proper noun, name of place. New Delhi is the name of city. So before the name of city, if the before the name of proper nouns, if that proper noun is the name of a particular city, before that we don't use any article. That means no definite article. I live in New Delhi, simply, no use of article. That means before many proper nouns we don't use articles, and among them all one of the proper nouns is the name of cities. Before the name of particular cities we don't use definite article the. See, next is the gold is a precious metal. The gold is a precious metal. See, a precious metal, this is correct. Okay, but not the gold. Gold is the name of metal, but it is uncountable noun. So uncountable noun should not be using any article. Okay, in the same way iron is also the name of metal. Okay, not the iron, only an iron. We don't use any article before the name of uncountable nouns. See, is an useful metal, an useful. Here the use of article is wrong. It is a useful. Okay, see here whenever we use you in nouns or any word, you has two sound. One is its own sound, that is you. Okay, that starts from y-o-u-u, and y is already a consonant. So before consonant we have to use a. If y sound y, if you sound y, then it is a consonant. So before consonant we have to use a. But sometimes if you sound as a, it is a vowel. So before vowel we use an, like umbrella. Okay, an umbrella. Okay, because here u is sounded as a. Understood? See, the next one is sentence number 7. The London is a big city. The London is a big city. A big city is correct, but not the London, because London is the name of a city. So before this particular name of the city we don't use any article. Before proper nouns we don't use article. Last night we went to the good restaurant. To a good restaurant. If you speak about, see, if we speak about any common noun for the first time, we use indefinite article a. But if we speak about the same noun again in another sentence, we use the. Okay, if we speak about the same restaurant, we have to write the restaurant. Okay, next is there is the park near my home. There is a park, because we are speaking about the park, a common noun, for the first time in this sentence. If we speak about the same sentence in the second line also, in second sentence also, we have to write the. Okay, the patient is making a rapid progress. The patient is making a rapid process. The patient is making patient is making a rapid progress. Okay, or is correct here. Now see here, we are in a trouble. We are in trouble, not or trouble. We are in trouble. Okay, because trouble cannot be counted. Do you know the English? No. Do you know English? English is the name of language. Before the name of language also, this is proper noun. So proper noun, if that proper noun is the particular name of language, we don't use any article. I caught the train to London. A train was late. See, this is train is common noun. So if I told you, if we speak about the common noun for the first time, we have to use a. I caught a train to London. Now if I speak about the same noun for the second time, we have to use the. The train was late. He traveled around world. He traveled around the world. See, the world which are only one in this world thing, those things which are only one in the world, we have to use the with those words. Among them, world is also the one that is only one in the world. Okay, she lives in the small apartment in a suburb. She lives in a small apartment. We are talking about the apartment for the first time, so a small apartment in suburbs, not a suburb. We cannot count suburbs. See, a report he submitted was exhaustive. Here we have to write the report. The report he submitted. That means we have already there is already the discussion about the report earlier also. So we know about the report. So it is definite article the. The report he submitted was exhaustive. Now let us understand indefinite articles. The article a or an is used. How a or an are indefinite articles. So how they are used? Before a singular countable noun when it refers to no particular person or thing. That means if you are speaking about any noun, not particular noun, any noun, and if those nouns are countable and if those nouns are singular, we can use either a or an. It depends upon the sound of the noun. Vowel sound and consonant sound a. Okay, like a car. Car is countable. A machine. Machine is the computer is also a machine. Here computer is countable. C is an advocate. Advocate is also countable because C, person, is countable. Before a singular noun which represents its whole class or species, for example. So a kind of noun, when we speak about those nouns, it includes all other nouns of their kind. Before those nouns, if those nouns are singular, then we have to use a. All students should be disciplined. That means a student. That means if a student, that means student here means every student. So if that noun in particular, if that common noun include all other noun of their kind when we speak about them, then it uses indefinite article a. A pet should be taken care of. That means any pet. A pet refers to any kind of pet. Singular, but it refers to every other species of its kind. Okay, student, like a mother is always kind. That means a mother means every mother, not only one mother. Okay, to mean one. Another use is to mean one. That means whenever we use a or an, that means it means one. Okay, like the car ran at the speed of 60 kilometers an hour. An hour means 1 hour. I own a cat. A cat means one cat. Okay, to indicate membership of a group, for example, he is a teacher. Brain is a Goan. Okay, Goan. Brian is a Goan. That means refers to Goa. Okay, teacher. Richard is a practicing Buddhist. Okay, membership of a group. Like she is a doctor. Okay, so doctor means here doctor refers to a group of all doctors. Okay, that means among those all group he is also one or she is also one. That means Brian is a Goan. Goan means he is one of the people, one of the people, one of the person who refer to who lives in Goa. Okay, Richard is a practicing Buddhist. That means among all the Buddhists, among those Buddhists who are practicing Buddhism, Richard is also one. Okay, before phrases of time and measurement, for example, I go on holiday twice a week, a kilo. Before the phrase or time of measurement, so how much we want whenever we buy something, or at the measurement of phrases of time, a week, a day, a kilo, like this. Understood? So now let us discuss about indefinite article. See, I told you that the article the is called indefinite article. So how this article is used? The correct use of the definite article the. Number one is before a noun that is one of its kind. For example, the Pope, the moon, otherwise the sun, the earth, like. Understood? The world. So the noun which is only one of its kind. Before those nouns also we use the definite article the. Before a noun when we have already mentioned it. Like I told you that a common noun when we speak about the same noun for the second time, we have to use the definite article the. Okay, a boy. Again in the next sentence, the boy. Because we are referring the boy for the second time. Okay. When the common noun is referred for the second time, if it is singular, then we will use the. Before a noun which is made definite by using qualifying phrase of clause. The boy in the corner, the child in the red. See, those phrase, okay, a noun, before a noun which is made definite by using qualifying, a group of word, that phrase that has a noun, and that noun makes the phrase by the other use of word along with them, along with it, we have to use a definite article boy, like the boy in the corner, a boy in the corner, the boy in the corner, the child in the red is very cute. This is the place where we first met. Understood? Now before a noun which becomes definite because both the speaker and the listener are familiar with it, they are playing with the learn. So when two nouns we refer are familiar to each other, then we will use the definite article the. Mother is in the kitchen. See, mother and kitchen are familiar, so we use the. Before ordinals. Before ordinals means the numbers. When we write the numbers by its position, like 1 to first, 2 to second, 3 means third, this kind of writing numbers is called ordinals. So all the ordinal numbers are written like first, second, third, fourth. So before these kind of words, before ordinals, we use the definite article the, like the first, the second. Okay. Now see, to represent a whole class of animals or thing, like when we use like the cow means all cows, the camel means all camels. Okay, it refers to all camels. So before the those common nouns, when we speak about them, if they mean the whole noun of their kinds, is called uses the definite article the. Before an adjective of quality to represent a category of people. See, before the adjective of quality, okay, to represent a quality category of people. See, what kind of noun we are referring to? If those noun are referred by using the adjective of quality. See, brave is the quality of being something, no? Or rich is also the quality of being something. So before this, we have to use the definite article the. The brave are admired. Okay, the rich should kept help the poor. Understood? Next is before the name of she is she. These are the groups of proper nouns. with which we may use the definite article the, like name of seas, rivers, oceans, groups of islands, deserts, mountain ranges, gulfs and bays, poles, etc. Like before the name of rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Pacific Ocean, name of ocean, any name of islands, desert, okay, mountain ranges. Before these nouns, these are the name of proper nouns. So before these nouns we use the definite article the. Now see, before the name of countries, these are also the proper nouns. So we use definite article countries that have the word united or republic in them. Those proper nouns which means the unity of the states, like the United States of Nation, the Philippines, the Netherlands, the Republic. Here the name of these countries does not refer to one country. It is the unity of the states. Okay. Next is before the name of important books. Before the name of books, these are also the proper nouns, but before these proper nouns also we use articles, article the, like before the name of Bible, before the name of magazines, before the name of newspapers, we use the definite article the Vedas, Quran, the Hindustan Time, newspaper, name of the newspaper, Quran, name of book, Vedas, name of books, Mail Today, name of the newspaper, magazine or newspaper, Bible, name of the book. Okay. Before musical instrument, before the name of musical instrument also we use the definite article the, like the tabla, okay, the guitar, okay, the flute, like this. The next use of the definite article the is before a proper noun if it represents a particular class of people or if it is defined. If it is defined, or if we compare a proper noun with another proper noun. In that case, before the another proper noun with whom we compare the first noun, that before that noun we have to use the definite article the. Here Kalidas is the proper noun, is the name of person, and we know that before the name of persons we don't use the definite article the. But here Shakespeare is also the name of person. Here we are comparing Kalidas with Shakespeare, another proper noun. So the noun to whom we are comparing, that before that noun with whom we are comparing, before that comparing noun we have to use the definite article the. Arjun is the Tendulkar, right, of our local cricket team. Otherwise Mr. Karan is the Shah Rukh Khan of our theatre, in the same way. Okay. Otherwise we don't use any definite article the before any proper noun. But in case if we are comparing one proper noun with another proper noun, in that case we use the definite article the. So this is this much for today's class. In our next class we will understand the repetition of the articles and the omission, that means where we should not use article, in the next video. This much for today's class. Thank you, students.